Hi everyone, today we're gonna show you the perfect summery lemon ricotta cake. I mean, look at this thing, it's just gorgeous.
So amazing.
First step, we're preheating the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Ooh. Let's go over the ingredient quantities. We have 400 grams of all-purpose flour and 400 grams of sugar, which we're gonna be putting in. Then we're going to be using 3 teaspoons of baking soda. I've got an Italian version of it that has also a little bit of vanilla powder in it. So I'm gonna be adding it. You guys can actually find this on Amazon. That's where I get it from. So we're gonna be adding the whole bag in. And that's just baking soda, about 3 teaspoons of it, and some vanilla powder. Now, you know, you always need to put a little bit of vanilla powder into your desserts and cakes. And people like, you know, 1 teaspoon. I like it a little bit more. It's really up to your taste. Now, you're gonna mix these ingredients together so that the baking soda is distributed everywhere. It's very important when you're making this cake. So we're just mixing the sugar. I use the light brown sugar because I really like it. It's makes the cake a little bit more moist and molassy. And
But you can use white sugar.
you can use white sugar too. It's just, it's gonna be a little bit more sugary than the brown, the light brown sugar. And we really love it because it also kind of makes it a little bit more rustic. And I don't know, it's gorgeous. We're going to be adding 400 grams of fresh ricotta cheese. I haven't drained it because I want it a little bit watery. Okay, let's put the ricotta in. And we mix very well. Let's mix it all in. This is one of my favorite cakes in the summer. In Italy, especially in the south, we have a lot of nice juicy lemons and we use them for so many different recipes, one of which is this one with the ricotta cheese and the lemons. And we, at least myself and my family, have it as a breakfast or a little snack. It's delicious, right, Ago?
Yeah, it is. I absolutely agree.
Oh my God, don't you love tasting like the raw butter? It's so good. I've got the ricotta. I haven't even added the eggs yet. It's so beautifully fluffy. I mean, you could do this with a KitchenAid, but I love making my cake by hand, especially this ricotta one, just because it's so satisfying and it tastes so much more rustic and it makes you feel so much more proud of having done it. No KitchenAid, please. And we add 1 large egg. Now, Ago here is so kind. He's just making sure that he's zesting the lemon because we're gonna be putting some of the zest inside just because we love it. Who doesn't love lemon zest in their cake, right? Good, so now add the zest. Oh my God, it smells so good. Here we go. Zesting. Now let's add the juice of 2 lemons or 1 large lemon. Oh, this is gonna make it so moist. Let's go. Mix it all in. For this cake, I'm using a 9-inch cake pan, and it's one of the ones that you just click on the... Okay, that didn't work out. Click it back on and it's all in one piece, but it's perfect. Now let's butter the pan real well. We're gonna wrap the butter on the bottom and all sides. I like to use these pans because then you can just take the cake out, minimal stress. This is one of the recipes that was very popular on my TikTok and Instagram. And I'm remaking it here on YouTube so that you can get all the quantities. But this time, I'm also adding a little bit of an orange blossom essence. Just a couple of drops. It smells delicious. This is the one I use when I make my cake for Easter called pastiera, and it's just, oh my God, it reminds me of the south of Italy. Let's just add a tiny bit, I think 3 drops only, it's very strong. Orange blossom essence. We put it all in. Oh my God, look how soft this butter is. Do you say batter? Batter. Yeah. Batter. Okay, now let's put the butter in. And then we're gonna spread it even everywhere. Oh yes. And spread it so that it's all one level. Try to make it even. How do you say butter? Like the butter that you use versus the
butter.
But you don't say butter. It sounds like a butt.
Yeah. Somebody
so
that
batter,
related.
batter, butter.
Yeah.
Butter.
Butter.
And the batter of the cake? Batter. Batter.
Let's put in the cake, se no se la mangiamo l'anno prossimo.
She's getting all the butter. In the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. 40. Oh, let's have a look. Wow, yes, take it out. It's ready. Guys, listen, I've been asked so many times, how do I make my food look so good and rustic at the same time? I don't use big studios, I don't have a lot of props and stuff, but I have a few things that I always use. And for first, I think you should invest in beautiful tea towels. These are linens. You can get them on Amazon. If you get like some stripes on it, maybe orange, red, or blue, they're gorgeous. So I put one always at the back of my wooden tray. This is a beautiful Italian chopping board. You can use any type of chopping board as long as it's nice wood. The wood is so nice and rustic to look at. I put my cake straight on it for right now. Whatever fruit I used in the dessert or cake, I like to have it for decoration, to have it right next to it. So I'll just put them in a way they're cute, right? So that you can get a nice little video of it. You can send a picture to your loved one, whatever, you know. You can post it on social media and just make it look cute. So just play around with it until you like the way it looks. Like I like that. And then always, another thing that I always do when it's summertime, is use flowers. Flowers to decorate any food, they're wonderful. You can get edible flowers, which means you can eat the flowers afterwards, or you can just have flowers to decorate. And I'm gonna show you. You got this little setting, and now what we do is, this is back to my recipe, and then I continue the decoration part. I'm gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar, just like that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Here you go, I think that's enough. My God, it smells so good. Okay, so now you've got that powdered sugar. It just makes everything look magical. You got the lemons, and now for the final touch, I would like to add some purple to it. Just because the purple and the yellow and the warmth of the wood, it just goes so well together. Okay, so I'm going to choose the little ones here. These cute little flowers. I'm gonna get little ones and I'm gonna put them right here. I'm gonna put just a couple of them. Here we go. So let me just have a quick peek. See what I'm saying? Like, it just makes it look so pretty. Okay, so you got all of these, and then obviously, you know, you can have a little bit of flowers on the side if you really love. Like, I'm gonna get the white because white is so delicate. Since we already have strong colors, you're not gonna add another strong colors. A couple of strong colors together, and then maybe like a little white in the background like that, you know? So that it's not, it almost looks like the lemon flowers, you know, when the lemon blossoms and there's those lemon flowers. So I just thought it would look so pretty to have like a little flower here on the back. There you go. You see, it just makes the whole thing so pretty. And there you have it. I mean, doesn't this look just gorgeous? Okay, to have a look at the inside. Oh my God, guys, it's so moist. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Delicious. Wow. It's the best ricotta cake I've ever had. Guys, we gotta go, but please follow us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube, stay gorgeous, and don't forget to dance.